What's up, guys? Today we're going to be playing Scary Bamboo, and when I did spawn into the camp place, so I'm going to be checking that out soon, because I do want to see if they added anything else, because I have not played Scary Bamboo in a while, so I'm just going to go look around. I should probably lower my headset. There I go. There we go. I don't think they added anything else, really. So let's go to the camp. Okay, so there is a couple. I'm gonna go to Dreams. Which one should I go to? Dreams and Nightmares, Camp Sundown, or I'm gonna do Camp Sundown, then that one, because I have played the monster. Alright. Okay, we're in, let me just, oh shoot, okay. Keep forgetting the sound turn. Alright, let's explore. Doesn't look, oh, I just saw something moving. I was about to say, doesn't look like there's any monsters, but I just saw something, so I'm gonna have to be quick with this. Alright, let's first go here. There's just some bunk beds and a TV. Nice. Okay, arts and craft place. Alright. We got a bundle. $30. They used to be way less expensive than this, I remember. I used to get bundles for like $10. Or they still have some like that. I don't know though. We got some cool cosmetics. But this is Scary Bamboo, so there's probably going to be something lurking in a couple seconds. Oh jeez, this does not look good. Okay, let me go out. Oh, and I almost forgot to mention, if you guys are new and haven't seen my other videos, I'm doing a challenge against my two other friends. One is Sports Edits, the other one is Talking Heads by Rihanna. I'll put their name in the comment section. But basically what we're trying to do is see who can get more subscribers in a week. Right now we're all tied getting 3 subscribers. It's Tuesday, so we still have a couple more days left, but I would really appreciate if you guys could like and subscribe, because I really want to win. But if you don't want to subscribe, that's completely fine. If you guys could just like or comment, that'd be great, or share to a friend that might be willing to subscribe. So, yeah. Alright. Good talk. I saw that thing moving. I'm not blind, I saw it moving. We're gonna adventure in a second. I just want to go look at all these houses. Why does the fire sound like that? Alright, food hall. We got watermelon, chicken legs, right? Alright. Some kind of sauce or something? I don't know. And then we got this rusted kitchen. Oh, Squidward painting. This one was from, I'm not 100% sure, but the episode I remember it from is when Squidward became the artist and teacher of the room or museum or something like that, and he put it up and then somebody just threw it out. That's where I remember it from. There's probably somewhere else, but I just don't remember it. I think this is big. Baboon cherry slushy. Can I actually get one of these? This actually just sounds good. No? Okay. Sorry, I thought I saw something. Probably did. Oh, there's my soda. Or slushy, I mean. Okay, before we go adventuring in the dark woods. Let's go have some fun on the playground. Because I know I'm going to die. And where's that monster? I know there's a there's multiple of them. Anyway, we're going to ignore that because that's a later future problem. Yeah. What does this look like? Shoot. Can I not grab it? Oh no, I can't. This playground sucks. Probably be fun in real life, but not when you're on VR. Anyway, I see the monster coming. I want to see what the jump scare is. Wonderful. So what are we supposed to do? No peeing in the lake. Leave some food for others. No peeing in the cabin. Don't hog the stage. No peeing in the food hall. Pillow fights must stay indoors. Under no circumstances enters the woods at night. Do not interrogate strange sounds. Stay inside. This is not a joke. Leave no trace. Have an amazing summer. Now we're not gonna listen to 7 and 8 because yeah. When does the sun go down? It looks like it's going down soon, so oh, I know what's gonna happen. Oh, I swear if it becomes nighttime and these things come in. Oh. Is there like a specific time it becomes night or no? You know what? I'm just gonna go to the campfire, act like I just didn't read the rules, and expect what's gonna happen. So, ooh, there's a couple targets. I see that thing. I see it. I forgot to go up here. Okay. Just a little house, you know? It's perfect. Now, I was blind before because I did not see this whole lake. I was like, oh, there's a lake probably somewhere out in the woods. Yeah, I don't like this lake. And something about it. Let's actually do axe throwing. Axe throwing, yeah. And then, like, I think shooting, I don't know. Yep, axe throwing. Don't tell me we can't do axe throwing. No. Oh, I thought I heard a monster come after me. Never mind. Oh my god, how blind am I? I missed these whole section, and there's also a volleyball net. Nice. Oh, so you could buy more stuff? That's fun. You could buy a soccer ball, a volleyball. I'm just gonna name some. A water gun, a banana, floaties. Oh, that's a moldy banana. What banana? Banana peel, sorry. And then a pool banana float. It is getting dark, and I do not want to mess around with these monsters, so that's why we're gonna go on top of the roof. Shoot. I want to get up before it gets dark, because I am not messing around with those. Please, please, me up. There we go, okay. And then we'll just stay here. I hope my VR glitched and I just didn't see what I. Yep. Alright, now it's night. And all we gotta do is wait for the monsters and like fish for them. Right? Oh, the moon. You know, it's not that bad. What the hell is that? I do have the end of the video, so I do want to see what this is. Oh, that's wonderful. Anyway, that is the end of the video, guys. I know I didn't get to do the other thing, so I'll do it in a different video because I do have to go. But yeah, make sure to like and subscribe so you can help me out with that challenge. I would appreciate it a lot. And I'll put their names in the comments. Don't subscribe to them. But yeah, bye.